Hi, in this video I will show you how to remove subscribers from your YouTube channel on phone. So I have in here my YouTube channel, and as you can see I have 4 videos right here. Now if you want to remove your subscriber, do take note that YouTube doesn't offer a direct feature to remove subscriber from your channel. Instead, subscribers have the ability to subscribe or unsubscribe from a channel themselves. If you want to prevent someone from viewing your content, you can make your videos private and manually add specific users who can view them. So for example, on my videos right here, you can click onto the three dots on your video, and then you have the option to share it and the likes, and you can also edit this particular video that you have right here. So for example, let's play it right there, click onto the settings, and you can adjust it once you're actually on your YouTube studio. You can actually manage subscription privacy, prevent specific users from viewing your content, hide the subscriber count, and unsubscribe for channels. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.